make Amplitude work more like Google Analytics out of the box? Is there a universal snippet that can be added to every page to automatically track page views, etc., and pull in UTM parameters as segments, etc.?
The answer is yes.
Yeah, I think we've actually talked quite a bit about this on today's call. I'd highly recommend everyone use the Amplitude Browser SDK if possible. And just by adding that, you'll probably do everything that you need to do. And if there's follow-up questions on like how to create dashboards that are familiar to like GA4 users, we could cover that up on future working sessions as well. But yes.
Yeah, the idea is that when you are installing the Amplitude browser SDK, like install that in the header. So you will have that like index file that you are using. So just install the SDK in the header of that index file, and it will automatically work for all of the pages of your website. It will automatically track all the page views. It will automatically track bunch of events that are a part of our auto capturing capabilities, including UTM parameters and like any other attribution information that is present, like including referrers and click IDs.